guys, welcome to Bagajobchannel with me Betsy. Finally, the much awaited Expo 2020 Dubai has started. So I'm gonna take you through the inside glimpse of Expo 2020 today. So the easier way to get in the Expo site is by parking your car to any nearest metro station that is accessible to you and catch the red line to get down in Expo 2020 metro station. If you choose to drive all the way to Expo 2020, then the process is quite tedious that after parking the car in the provided slot, you need to wait in the queue for the feeder buses which will take you inside the site. If you're opting this in the peak hours, then you would lose ample amount of time. Thus, we chose to access Expo via metro. So if you see, this will directly take you through the entrance of Dubai Exhibition Center, after which you will find the Al Wasl Plaza where the inauguration of Expo 2020 took place. And all your belongings you carry like your bag, phone, cameras and other stuffs has to go through the scanners which you see on both the sides. This is the first view you get of Al Wasl Plaza. The night view of this spot is quite amazing. You may even purchase your Expo passports from these nearby stalls, which is actually optional. In case you have bought one, then you have an option to take the respective country stamps from all the pavilions you visit, which you may keep as a memory of your Expo visit. You need to be prepared to walk through the whole site of Expo 2020. The whole area of this Expo site is equivalent to 600 football courts. Thus, wear your comfortable clothes and shoes. You have these sanitizing machines and drinking water stations all over the site. Each pavilion you enter in, you have these representatives who help you understand about the job and business opportunities in their respective countries. In fact, exchanging the business ideas, investment options, job opportunities and introducing the new technologies is the main objective of organizing Expo. As mentioned earlier, you get these country stamps at the exits of each pavilion.
exactly the same as going backwards. We have the power and the drive. And the more someone tells us we can't do it, the more motivation it gives us to keep going. If life is a game, then we want to play fair. Our adaptable gaming keypads are disability friendly.
It's a visual treat when you visit each pavilion. This is just a sneak peek through the small pavilions today. The next upcoming vlog shows the exciting pavilions, to name a few, like India, Saudi Arabia, Russia, USA, Uzbekistan, Australia, and many more to come.